Money matters in business, but not everyone has equal access to this vital resource. Women entrepreneurs face a steep uphill battle. The numbers paint a stark picture of inequality. Female founders secured only 2% of venture capital in 2021. It's often due to deeply ingrained biases. Women turn to alternative funding sources. These options rarely provide the capital needed for rapid scaling. Women find ways to succeed despite these obstacles.
Unequal access to funding remains a significant barrier for women entrepreneurs. Investor bias is a real and persistent problem. Research reveals a troubling trend. Investors often view women-led startups with undue skepticism. This bias isn't always conscious, but its effects are undeniable. It creates significant hurdles for female entrepreneurs.
Breaking down these biases requires awareness and action. Some venture capital firms are taking steps to address the issue. Progress is happening, but there's still a long way to go.
The reasons people become entrepreneurs are diverse and complex, but research shows some interesting gender differences.
Women often cite work-life balance as a key motivation. They seek flexibility to manage both career and family responsibilities.
Men, on the other hand, are more likely to be driven by financial gain. They see entrepreneurship as a path to wealth and independence.
These different motivations can lead to different business models. Recognizing these differences can help create more tailored support systems for all entrepreneurs. The business landscape isn't evenly distributed when it comes to gender. Certain industries see higher concentrations of women-owned businesses. Understanding these patterns is important. It sheds light on both opportunities and challenges for female entrepreneurs.
Retail and healthcare are two sectors where women entrepreneurs are particularly active. These industries align well with traditionally female-dominated fields. They often allow for more flexible work arrangements. This can be appealing to women seeking work-life balance. However, these sectors are often undervalued in the business world. Technology and finance, on the other hand, remain male-dominated. These industries typically attract more venture capital. They're seen as high-growth sectors, but they can be challenging environments for women. Gender biases and lack of representation create barriers to entry and advancement.
Some women are breaking into these male-dominated fields. They're challenging stereotypes and paving the way for others, but progress is slow. Encouraging more women to enter these high-value sectors is crucial. It could help close the funding gap and promote innovation. Supporting women in STEM education is a key step towards this goal. Leadership styles can vary greatly between individuals, but research suggests some general trends along gender lines. These differences in approach can significantly impact business culture and outcomes. Understanding them can help create more inclusive and effective work environments.
Women entrepreneurs often adopt a more collaborative leadership style. They tend to prioritize team building and consensus. They're more likely to seek input from others before making decisions. This approach can foster a positive work culture. It can lead to higher employee satisfaction and retention.
Men, in contrast, often lean towards a more directive style. They're more likely to make unilateral decisions. They may focus more on hierarchy and competition. This approach can lead to quick decision-making. It can be effective in certain high-pressure situations. It may also create a more stressful work environment. Neither style is inherently superior. Both have their strengths and weaknesses. The best leaders often blend elements of both approaches. They adapt their style to the situation at hand. Recognizing and valuing different leadership styles is important. It can lead to more diverse and resilient organizations. Networking is a crucial aspect of entrepreneurship. It opens doors to opportunities. It provides support and guidance. But for women entrepreneurs, networking can present unique challenges. These hurdles can impact business growth and success.
Many business networks have historically been male-dominated. This can make it difficult for women to break in. They may feel out of place or unwelcome. The old boys club mentality still persists in some circles. This exclusion can limit access to valuable connections and resources.
Women also face time constraints that can hinder networking. They often juggle multiple responsibilities. Balancing work, family, and networking can be challenging. Traditional networking events may not align with their schedules. This can lead to missed opportunities for building crucial relationships.
Despite these challenges, women are finding innovative ways to network. They're creating their own communities and support systems. Online platforms have opened up new possibilities. They allow for more flexible networking opportunities. Women-focused business groups are also on the rise. These provide safe spaces for connection and collaboration.
Mentorship can be a game changer for entrepreneurs. It provides guidance, support, and valuable insights. But for women, finding suitable mentors can be challenging. This gap can hinder professional growth.
There's a shortage of female mentors, especially in male-dominated fields. Women may feel less comfortable seeking guidance from male mentors. This can lead to isolation and uncertainty.
When women find mentors, the relationships can be transformative. Good mentors offer emotional support and encouragement. They can open doors to new opportunities.
Efforts are underway to address the mentorship gap. Organizations now offer formal mentorship programs for women entrepreneurs. These initiatives are making a difference.
Initiatives supporting women entrepreneurs. The challenges facing women entrepreneurs are significant, but they're not insurmountable. Many organizations are working to level the playing field.
These initiatives provide crucial support and resources. They're helping women overcome barriers and achieve their entrepreneurial dreams. Government programs are playing a role. Many countries now offer grants specifically for women-owned businesses. They provide training and resources. Some have set targets for government contracts with women-owned firms. These policies can make a real difference. They open up new opportunities for female entrepreneurs.
Private sector initiatives are also making an impact. Some venture capital firms now focus exclusively on women-led startups. Accelerator programs for female founders are growing in number. Large corporations are launching mentorship and support programs. These efforts are helping to close the funding and opportunity gaps.
Educational institutions are getting involved too. Many universities now offer entrepreneurship programs tailored to women. They're working to increase female representation in STEM fields. This lays the groundwork for more women to enter high-growth industries. It's a long-term investment in a more diverse business landscape.
The success of women entrepreneurs has far-reaching effects. It goes beyond individual businesses. It impacts entire economies and societies. Understanding this broader impact is crucial. It highlights the importance of supporting women in business.
Women-owned businesses create jobs. They contribute to economic growth. Studies show that they often reinvest more of their profits back into their communities. This can lead to improved local economies. It can help reduce poverty and increase overall well-being.
Diverse leadership brings new perspectives to the business world. Women often identify different market needs and opportunities. This can lead to innovative products and services. It can open up new markets. The result is a more dynamic and responsive economy.
Supporting women entrepreneurs can also promote gender equality more broadly. It challenges traditional gender roles. It provides role models for younger generations. As more women succeed in business, it becomes easier for others to follow. This creates a positive feedback loop. It gradually shifts societal norms and expectations.
Creating a truly equitable entrepreneurial ecosystem is a complex challenge. Governments, businesses, educational institutions, and individuals all have roles to play. The goal is to remove barriers and create equal opportunities for all entrepreneurs. Addressing unconscious bias is crucial. This starts with awareness. It's about creating a culture of inclusivity. This shift in mindset can lead to more equitable funding decisions and business practices. Policy changes can make a big difference. Laws against discrimination need to be enforced. These structural changes create a more level playing field.